Smart lady, slim.
Yes.
Have you? And Joyce was going to come today, but her husband last night had to get the district nurse out because he's had one in for about 9 years. He said, I can't let him go in, I might tell him the right thing. It must be, yeah. And locked. So they've been up all night. Well, please take them today. I haven't either. We used to go regularly, but and I said, Dan, I said, oh, I'll ask the girls if they want to go when because they used to come sometimes, didn't they, with us? So Jeanette says she's never followed down to Ambience, so she says it wouldn't be worth, no, she says it wouldn't be worth me going. So she says, well, tell me next time you're going, because she likes to go. See much of Jeanette for you, not since you don't go downstairs. All right. It is. I'm surprised at this. So when you've not got anywhere planned for going away next year or this year?
No, nothing.
No.
Yeah.
Well, Anne's going to Tenerife with my friends from work. I didn't enjoy it at all. Up and down hills. And you know, I'm not brilliant on the feet now. And I thought I'm going to be wandering all around and I'm not going to enjoy it. She's going, she knows the gym friends very well.
Yeah.
So she's going with them for a fortnight. And then we are going on this cruise to Perth for 8 days. And then we're going to Worthing to see the girls. Ollie. Kept you asleep. It is. Do you know I'm saying to boys the first oh my brother's going or something?
Oh, God. I've just been to our museum with half a cake from.
Oh, she'll be pleased with that.
It's a cake, yes.
Did you tell you I was saying oh, you have to look at that dress up?
Oh, no,
She
she
says, I think it's was Jack the says the beer I had at the end.
You know, what? Yeah,
Was it? Yeah.
brought some water.
Oh, we can't do much with that then. Can we? She says, I'll put some water with me.
Well,
I'm
it's
a
just have on the track, keep yourself
Yes, yeah. Which is,
hydrated.
well, I have brought throat lozenges, so if you see me eating sweet,
That's right, yeah.
it's for the throat and I've only got 4 left. So we've had it.
I think I've got some minutes.
All right. Oh, well, at least you could come.
Oh, hi.
John's not coming.
Yeah, that took for long.
Oh, is that what it will be?
Aye.
Oh, is she like that? Oh, I don't know her well enough to.
Isn't she?
Yes.
Yes.
Again, did you see? Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So how far is the view then? We just make it the gate because Anne and Vera can walk there, you see, and ignore me. And I'm not bothered about me.
Well, the views are prominent.
Is it?
It's one
I don't know where else.
One of the gates, it's one of the gates. cakes.
Oh
in
yes,
the
there
cake.
is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've done the roast. The natural centre. Don't go to pictures that much.
No, what would you say, Mark? There for a while. I think I went down to the one in town, the little one. What's it called?
Oh
again?
yes, the holiday.
And I can't remember what we went to see. So it must have been riveting.
No, well, I made a cake yesterday. I took it down with the tea.
What kind was it? Just
Chocolate. And it was because I made all the cakes for next week for Halloween.
Yeah, that'll be fun, won't it? Funny enough, when I opened my phone this morning, I've got the video of them singing, you know.
Oh, have you?
And she's dancing.
I know.
She was so
Oh. But the ostriches were very good. You see, now we didn't know that was going on because it was like Peter things. But I knew it happened. John happened sitting there. She says, "We come back because it's cold." Because we didn't know what things
gonna do that.
when we do that. You know?
Have you seen it, Paul?
Well, you can.
Graham?
No, because it comes in there. Yeah, you see, I cannot show anybody.
Oh, I'll show you when
Because
it's lovely though. She looks so happy. I think her outfit was nice when
Oh, was it?
I didn't realise it was a top and a
yes, it
bottom.
was top and bottom.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So have you got your bills coming or anything? Not at the moment.
June was here.
Oh, Richard's doing 16 out. What's the date? Oh, a week's time. A week's time. Better get cooking. You see, he's with Beth being vegan.
Yes.
He is at home. He says, because I'm not like that to cook. But when it comes to me, he eats everything under the sun.
Yes.
And he's like that.